23 Chevy Silverado cabin air filter. If you want to pull it, change it, you're going to need to remove your glove box. You have a damper right here that you're going to disconnect, like just like that. Get it disconnected. Now you're going to need to push the glove box in, pull down, get it past the stopper on this side. Same thing with this side. You might have to go back and forth with it. It's easier if you have two hands and you can do it at the same time. But once you get them off, then you can take the glove box off like that. Chem filter is located in this compartment here. There's a lock right here that you need to push, pull towards you. Once you get that done, you're gonna slide the door over to the left. Okay, and then it'll come off. Then you can pull the filter out. Now this is a factory filter that's in this thing. Notice it says airflow down. When you get your new filter, it's gonna have arrows just like this one. This one's not too bad looking actually. Won't recommend it to the customer. It doesn't have a lot of crap in it. But I'll have a link down in the description box where you can get one from Amazon if you want one. I have a link in the comment box also. So look right there real quick. This is a super quick link. Super cheap there. You can actually get a better filter than the factory one from there. Throw your new one in there. Then you get the door. Put it back kind of where it needs to go. You can see these guys right here. You're gonna need to slide these into this right here. So kind of close quarters. Slide it in there like that, and then you can lock it down. If you got it in there good, you want it nice and sealed. Get your glove box, line up the hinges, just place it on there. Just close the glove box, and then hook the damper back up. That's pretty much it. If you want to see more Chevy content like this, how to do the resets on the oil, change your battery keys, just hit subscribe. When you go to look for something like this again, if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll pull up my whole entire library. I have a library on everything, every make and model. Video was helpful. Appreciate it if you could hit the like button, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you get another video.